Good morning, respected parents and dear students. Welcome to your computer class. I am Brajesh Kumar, going to discuss rest portion of Chapter 6, which is Editing Data in Microsoft Excel 2013. When you are working with worksheet in Excel application, if you want to add some extra data in the worksheet, at that time it is often required to insert new rows, new column, or a block of cells in the worksheet. To insert new row, we follow some steps which is given in step 1, step 2 and step 3. As you can see, step 1 say that click on the row heading to select the row above which you want to insert the new row. As you can see in figure 6.5a, here first row is selected by clicking on row heading. Step 2, click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cells group on the home tab. A drop down list is appeared. After selecting the row, click on the insert option. As you can see here is the insert option which is available in cells group in home tab. After clicking on insert option, a drop down list is appeared like this: insert cell, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, insert sheet. From where step 3, click on the insert sheet rows option. The selected row is shifted down and a new row is inserted at its place. As you can see, row 1 shifted down and a new row is added in the place of first row. You can see here. And if you want to insert new column, we follow something different steps like step 1, step 2 and step 3. Step 1, click on the column heading to select the column to the left of which a new column is to be inserted. In this case, select the first column like this. You can see here. Select any one column like here column A is selected here. After that, step 2, click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cells group on the home tab. As you can see, click on insert option which is available in cells group in home tab. After clicking on it, a drop down list is appeared on your screen like this. Finally, step 3, click on the insert sheet columns option. After clicking on it, the selected column is shifted right side and a new column is inserted at its place. As you can see, the column A shifted rightward and a new column inserted in the place of column A. As you can see here, a new column is inserted. And sometime we need to insert a few new cells except complete row or complete column. In that case, we have to follow some steps like step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, select the same number of cells that you want to insert. Step 2, click on the arrow next to the insert option in the cells group on the home tab. A drop down list is appeared. After that, click on the Insert Cells option. An insert dialog box is appeared. It has the following four options like this. Option 1, shift cell right, shift cell down, entire column, entire row. From where we can select any one option in the insert dialog box. As you can see, here is insert dialog box. After clicking on insert cells option, insert dialog box appear. In this dialog box, some options like shift cell right, shift cell down, entire row, entire column. From here we can select any one options according to our need. Finally, click on OK button to insert same selected number of cells in the worksheet. As you can see, here is number of selected cell is 5, and after inserting cells, a new cell inserted will be 5, as you can see in your figure. Come to the next point. Sometime we need to delete some extra or unwanted cells, rows or columns from the worksheet. To do this, we should follow some steps. As you can see here, step 1, step 2 and step 3 are given to delete or remove unwanted row, columns or cells from the worksheet. Step 1. Select the rows, columns or cells to be deleted. First of all, select the number of cells or number of column or cell rows. Second one step, click on the row next to the delete option in the cells group on the home tab. After selecting the row, columns or cells, click on delete option which is available in cells group on the home tab. After that, choose from one of the following options like to delete selected cells. Click on the delete cells option. The delete dialog box is displayed. Choose the appropriate option in the dialog box. To delete the selected row, click on the delete sheet rows option, or to delete the selected columns, click on the delete sheet column options. The selected sheet, the selected cells, rows or columns are deleted from the sheet. As you can see in the given figure, here roll number is selected, and after selecting roll number, click on delete sheet column option to delete the entire roll number from the student details. After clicking on delete sheet rows column options, you can see here roll number column is deleted from the next image. Next one topic is adjusting row height or column width. It means to arrange or resize the cells in the worksheet to fit the content or data in the cells. There are two methods to adjust the row height and column width. First one method is by dragging the border, and next one method is by using the format option. Come to the first method, by dragging the border. Both row height and column width can be changed by dragging the border. To change the row height, we follow some steps like step 1. Place the mouse pointer at the bottom border of the row heading, the pointer shape changes to a double-headed arrow like this when you place the cursor at the bottom of row heading. After converting the arrow into double-headed arrow, drag the bottom border up or down to increase or decrease the height of cell or entire cell of the selected row. If you want to change the column width, we have to follow some steps. Step 1. Place the mouse pointer at the right border of the column heading. The pointer shape changes to a double-headed arrow like this. After that, drag the right border left or right to decrease or increase the column width on the worksheet. This is the simplest way to rearrange the row height or column width in the worksheet. Another method is by using the format option. This option lets you change the row height or column width to a specific measurement. Here are some steps to apply or to adjust the row height or column width by using format option. Step 1. Select the column or row. First of all, select the column or row. After that, click on the down arrow next to the format option in the cells group on the home tab. A drop down list is appeared. After that, click on the column width option for specifying column width, or click on row height option for specifying the row height. As you can see in the given figure, here are some options like row height, column width. From here we can adjust row height or column width by clicking on it. After that, enter the value in the column width or row height dialog box and finally click on OK button. As you can see in the figure here, when you click on row height dialog box appear like this. Here you can insert row height according to your need. After that, click on OK button to rearrange the row height. Similarly, if you want to adjust column width, click on column width option. Column width dialog box appear. In column width dialog box, you can insert column width according to your need. Finally, click on OK button to adjust the column width in the worksheet. Next one is practice zone, right? Here are some questions like name the options in the cells group to be used for the following. To perform following activity in Excel, which options is needed? First one question is to add an entire row. To add an entire row, we should click on insert sheet row option in the insert option. Next one question, to add a block of cells. To perform this, click on insert cells option in insert option. Next one is to change the column width. To change the column width, click on column width option in the format option. And last one is to delete a column. If you want to delete a column, click on delete sheet column option in the delete option. The practice zone is completed here. Words to know and recap zone is important to understand the chapter very well. You should read these points, and here now your chapter 6 has been completed here. In the next video session we will discuss next chapter. Thanks for watching.